And good morning everybody, Dadbotson here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking the Supra to go get the first mod, which is downpipe and tune. And I drove for the last hour, forgot my money. So now we have the lovely wife that I woke her up early in the morning to meet and bring me the money. She's not going to be happy with me. It's going to be editing this video, but it is what it is. So, thank you. Love you. She's not happy, but we got the money. So, now we're going to be back on the road. Alright everybody, we are here. Oh, it's got a nice fresh tune over there. Sounded pretty good. But we're here. The Subaru,
or not the Subaru.
The Supra is getting tuned, catless downpipe right now. Once we get in there, once it's all done, we'll go check it out and see how she sounds.
2 hours later.
All right, here we go. Supra's done. It's gonna be pulling out now. Pretty excited about it. We've got it in kind of comfort mode. Quick revs of the Supra. Alright everybody, it's the next day, it's the next morning. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning right now. We're going to do our first cold start and we're going to hit the road. I couldn't really film anything with the tune yesterday because we were stuck in traffic. I couldn't get on the car, and then by the time we got through traffic, it was dark out, so you guys wouldn't be able to see anything anyway. So go ahead and do a cold start and then ready a little review. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys can all hear me. Right now we're in comfort mode, and I've noticed a lot different with the car already. It's very more responsive. Apparently it added 100 horsepower, but it's a comfort mode, you can't hear nothing. There's no pops, no bangs, it's really quiet. It's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and put it into sport mode real quick. Go like 4,000 RPM. Probably gotta get a little bit warmer. I'm not getting like any traction. I'm going like quarter throttle, and nothing's going on. So let's see. This is stupid. I'm like a quarter throttle, maybe half throttle, and it just spins. So I definitely need some new tires on it. I need that right away. Because without it, this car you can't do anything. So I'll have to get some meat boys on the back.
cores now. Got the red light.
That sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it does. It does.
Alright guys, so I know the first thing you guys are going to have questions about with this video was, is the downpipe and tune worth it? And if you guys do any research about arcade tunes, you'll know that they are a BMW. That's what they specialize in, is BMW. Well, the Supra is technically a Toyota, but it's basically made by BMW. So I think it's 100% worth it. I think Jordan at Arcade Tunes killed this, and it's an amazing car. I absolutely love it. But as we go underneath this underpass, you tell me if it's worth it. Now guys, I'll show you, it's only in sport mode when it does this. So when you hit up, it's right at 3,000 RPM. So it's going, it sounds great. And you're just cruising along. Let it go. And you're good. But it's right at 3,000. Every time. Perfect. Like clockwork. But then all you do is you hit this button down here. It says sport to put it back in comfort mode. And you can even hold it in manual mode and get it to 3 grand. Doesn't do it. Won't do it. So when you're just driving around, you just, want to be quiet or whatever, put it in comfort mode, you'll be fine. But then you put it into sport. There you go. Easy peasy. So that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Again, another big shout out to Jordan from Arcade Tunes. He killed it with this downpipe and tune. The car sounds absolutely amazing. Makes more power. It's crazy to drive now. Absolutely love it. I totally love it. So thank you, Jordan. I'll link his Instagram in the description. Go check them out. Remember that this is the giveaway car. The giveaway ends June 1st. So every dollar you spend on dadbodseason.com gets you 1 entry to win. So go to dadbodseason.com, grab yourself some merch, whatever you like. We're adding more merch right now as I speak. And you can take this car home in $10,000 cash. It's a no-brainer. But if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Join the Dad Bod Season family. And always remember, never accept defeat.